Everybody, next few minutes I'm going to be talking about the last activity, the last assignment of this year, the year 2022, and that would be something called astrolabe. What is astrolabe? Astrolabe is the modern days protractor, GPS, satellite, and the cell phone at the same time. So since in the physics class we started um, our activity with the protractor, I thought this would be a nice Christmas activity to create a protractor. Astrolabe is more than protractor. It's a satellite, it's a GPS, it's a protractor, and it's a cell phone at the same time. So we're going to create a hand made astrolabe, and we're going to use it as a protractor to maybe find out the height of Brooklyn Tech. So that's what I'm going to be explaining. This would be a nice Christmas activity. I'm going to be making it due tomorrow. No, tomorrow would be, no, I'm going to be making it due the day after tomorrow. So you have more time to think about it. So at home, you want to use the home product. So A4 paper, fold it in half. Okay. And draw a semicircle without thinking too much. So I created a semicircle. Take a scissor and cut it. Something like semicircle. Put them away. So now you're gonna putting creating a hole, a small hole over here. All right. So I'm gonna create a small hole. I don't know how am I gonna create a small hole. Maybe I poke it by a pen. Create a hole. So now I'm gonna write some angles. So starting from here. So I'm gonna write 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, maybe 45 degree, maybe 135 degree. Okay, so 0 degree, and I'm going to put 90 degree over here so you can see it, 90 degree and 180 degree, maybe 45 degree and maybe 135 degree. When you do it, you're going to put all the degrees. All right, you're going to put 0, 5, 10, 15 and so on. So you're going to take your time, make a nice astrolabe, and we're going to use it as a telescope, and we're going to use it as a protractor for sure. We're going to use it as a protractor for sure. We're going to use it as a cell phone. I don't know, maybe we'll use it as a cell phone, maybe we'll use it as a GPS, maybe we'll use it as a telescope, but we're going to use it as a protractor for sure. Okay, so what is the next thing you're going to do? You're going to take a number 2 pencil. So if you have a number 2 pencil, take number 2 pencil. What do you want to do with number 2 pencil? Before you do number 2 pencil, maybe you want to take a rope. Take a rope. So cut this rope. I collected from the classroom. So this is a rope. Or take a penny or dime or nickel or whatever you find in your wallet. Oh my God, nothing. Nothing. No, nothing. Okay, that's very sad. So what can I use? Maybe I can use. There is a nail over here. I can use this nail. Oh no, this is how can I pull it? Cannot pull it. So I need a little bit weight. Maybe I will use this. I will use this as weight. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna use this as a weight. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pencil. I'm gonna create a Starbucks straw. The Starbucks straw is really big in size, has a bigger hole on it. Okay, excellent. Now you're gonna attach it like this, of course, over here on the other side, so you can see the star. Now you see what's going on over here, right? Okay, so you want to tape it. Uh, so how you want to tape it? Take the tape it, tape around it, tape around it. Don't tape it on the hole. Okay, all right. So you already see that you can see the northeast star. You can see the northeast star. Now you can even measure the angle, but how are you going to measure the angle without using the rope? Okay, great. You have the rope. That's why you have the rope. All right. So I'm going to put the rope in the hole. Get the hole a little bigger. So I have the hole. All right, it's 90 degree, and it's the line is 90 degree. So you don't want too much long. All right. So now what do you want to do? You want to attach the weight to the rope. Again, you can do it by tape. All right, so this is your astrolabe, right? Now, if you look at the North Star, it's going to give you the angle. See, it's going to give you the angle. See, this is the angle it's going to give you. You're going to use this angle. We probably going to use it as a telescope later, but now we're going to use it as a protractor. So I'm going to ask you, hey, can you find the height of Brooklyn Tech? Maybe not height of Brooklyn Tech. We're not going to go outside of the classroom. So maybe in the classroom, I'm gonna ask you to find the height of our classroom, 1W24. What would be the height of our classroom? Uh, so you're gonna be using this one to look at the ceiling, all right, where the exactly exactly at the first point of the ceiling. Look at it, and you're gonna be collecting the angle, all right, angle, and then you're going to be using the trigonometry you already know to find the height of our classroom.